At Truwin, we believe it should be easier to purchase better windows and doors. That's why when working with our customers, we ask one simple question. What's most important to you? The answers vary from better energy efficiency, increased security, or even upgraded curb appeal. Regardless of the answer, our windows and doors can exceed the needs of any project. And our installation crew takes great care to make sure that whatever product you choose, it's installed to the highest level. We also believe a Truwin customer is an educated customer. From our in-home product consultations to our online resources, our goal is to be as transparent as we possibly can be. We're proud to be the transparent windows and doors company because that's just the way it should be.